This is gonna be the most dysfunctional dorm tour that you are about to see. But if you watch till the end, I fucks with you on a heavy level.
I think she love me, cause I got the check on me. Won't spend a damn flex on me. Put a curse of hex on me. Scratch out my name, put the X on me. You should come check on me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and I wanted it to be a dorm tour. Excuse my room right now. It's currently like 10 p.m. I don't know why I get energy at night, and I don't know why I decided to film at night. I'm gonna film this dorm tour in a different format. Usually people film and talk, or they do a voiceover. I actually want you guys to see my crusty ass face, so I'm just going to talk about my dorm and insert clips as I go, so you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, moving on. Majority of the things I got came from Amazon. Bro, Amazon is the best thing in the world. I recommend. If you don't know where to go, if you don't know where to look, start with Amazon, okay? A lot of my things came from Amazon, Target, and Walmart. We're gonna start with my desk. You're gonna see my D. It lights up. It's cute. I love my D. I've always wanted a D because my name is Destiny. She wanted it. Anyways, these little clear containers, I got them from Amazon. And inside I have little, cute little, I can show you guys. I'm trying not to drop my shit. They're these little clear containers, and they have little removable lids. I have a bunch of rings on top of here, so I'm trying not to drop. But basically, I put my little clips and like supplies in there that are actually for decoration. I don't actually use them, but they're really cute. My little Paris statue, my mom got it from Amazon. Moving on. My speakers, they light up. They are also from Amazon, but bro, I be feeling the bass in my heart. I highly recommend speakers in college. Like, there's gonna be days where you're just gonna wanna chill, listen to music, you know? You feel me? Just chill. And they light up, and when you have the lights off, they just love it. I have this little drawer that is used to store makeup. I feel like every girl on YouTube has these. They're from Amazon. They were super cheap. I'm pretty sure they also have them at Target, and I have seen similar ones at Ross. Ross is cheap. Also, if you guys want decor, try Ross, because I see a lot of cute shit there. Next, I have this little plant. This gold little succulent, littleish, from Target. It wasn't that expensive. It's super cute. I love the gold color. The pot. My little mirror, I've had it for, I want to say a year, but I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon. You will most likely find it on Amazon or Walmart for cheaper. My lamp is from Walmart for a fact. It was really cheap. There's different colors. I chose the gold one. So I got my little sign. This little, one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Got that from Amazon. It was really cheap. And I got my little clock from Amazon. It's really annoying and really loud. It's actually like a, that was uncalled for. Moving on. My second favorite thing in this room. Do not roast me. Are you guys ready? Okay. I don't think you're ready. You guys probably think I'm gonna say my bed, but no. My calendar. I love this calendar so much. I live by this calendar. Alright. So my calendar is from Target. It's gold. There's also a silver one. I'm not sure if there's a black one, but every time I show people my calendar, they get shook and then they want their own calendar if they don't already have one. I put 3 people on already. Y'all get y'all a calendar. I like to decorate it all cute with my dry erase markers that I will show you guys. These are the colors. I think it was like less than $5. I definitely picked these up from Target. I just love how little they are. They're perfect for a little calendar, you know. When you're picking out your stuff for your dorm or when you're going shopping, just think about convenience and storage. The more storage spots that you have, the less cluttered your room will be. My room is pretty spacey. I don't have things all over the place compared to other college dorms. No shade, no tea, that's none of my business, but it's pretty spacey. Next, I'm going to be showing you my closet area. Alright, before y'all roast me, because I have a shower curtain in front of my closet, also from Target by the way, the shower curtain and the rod, both from Target. It's really smart. When people walk into your room and the first thing they see is all your clothes and your bins and your bullshit, it makes your room look a little cluttered and like smaller. But a lot of dorms nowadays have open closets. If yours have an open closet, I recommend putting up a curtain. It makes such a huge difference and it makes your room look cleaner, bigger. My little towel rack. Normally I have like more towels, but I haven't done laundry yet, so I have like 1 or 2 in there. But I usually have all my towels in rags or washcloths rolled up in there, and that's where I keep that. Next to it, I have my little, I call them my cubes. I have my hair cube with all my hair products in it, my skin cube with all my skin products in it, and then my medicine cube with all my medications and stuff in it. The bins that I have in my closet, they're just bins that I use to move in, and since I live 2 hours away from home, I'm gonna need them here when it's time to move out. So they're just in my closet. And I have like my shoes stored in the bins, and like I used to keep snacks in there. I'm a little snackless right now, but it's fine. Mirror. I got this mirror from Walmart. I kid you not, it was $5. There's gonna be 2 mirrors. There's one that's gonna look just like this one, and they come in a variety of colors, but it's gonna be like $14, almost $15. Literally, find the other mirrors. They're in a box somewhere. There's a bunch of colors. They're $5 mirrors. They work perfectly fine. They're light. You can hang them up with command strips. They won't fall. Just get the $5 mirror. Don't get the $14 mirror. There's literally no difference other than the $14 one is a bit heavier. Which, if you're gonna use command strips, which you most likely will have to use command strips to hang the mirror, you get the lighter mirror for $5. Walmart. I got my little Paris clock that does not work because I took the batteries out. Struggle. I got that from Amazon. Now my Ottomans. I love my Ottomans. I love them. When I have people over, it's just convenient. Like there's like extra places to sit, a storage. Love it. I recommend getting the Ottoman. I'm gonna leave it in the description below. The top comes off and it becomes a tray. So if you want to eat on your bed or whatever you want to use that for, I use it for eating on my bed. Just a sturdy surface so you don't drop shit. And it comes with a mini ottoman on the inside, and I have that on the side of my bed. I don't know if you can see that. There's also stuff on it. My little twinkle lights. Twinkle lights. They're super tiny. They got them from Target. You don't notice them during the day, but at night you do when the lights are off. It's just a little subtle, nothing that will distract you. And my little Paris poster. You guys will not guess where I got it from. Can you guess? Can you guess? Amazon! Like everything. Those flowers? Amazon. My TV, I got it from Walmart. It's the Roku Smart TV. I think it had to be less than $130, or it's about $130. Not that expensive. I do recommend that you have a TV in college, but you can live without it as long as you have a laptop. It's just really convenient. I do recommend a TV. Now, what I highly recommend is a diffuser. My college literally does not let the windows open. Well, in some dorms, I think in the newer dorms, the windows don't open, which means that I can't let fresh air in, which means that it can get a little stuffy in here. So I recommend a diffuser. You can get them from, it's probably like $10–15. Mine was $15 at Walmart. It's cute, it's tiny, I love it. And you can get a bunch of different scents. I like the fresher scents because I like my room to smell and feel fresh. The most important thing, a snack pack, bitch. You can just not have a snack pack. I can't talk. I cannot speak English. I got this from Amazon. You can keep anything in there. My snack pack used to stay packed. I'll insert a video of how it used to normally look, but now it doesn't, because you know, college struggles be like. But anyways, I recommend it. It's just extra storage and it's really cute. It's convenient. You can hang it behind your door. You can hang it, I recommend hanging it behind your door because it's just super cute. Like, I don't know, I just like the way it looks. I did the same thing in my last dorm over the summer. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want, you can follow me on Snapchat, or I said that backwards. Follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. I add everybody back. You can ask me questions about anything, college in general. I'm most likely gonna make more college videos because bitch, I got to. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go.